Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Hargreaves Lansdown Lifetime ISA. Hargreaves Lansdown Lifetime ISA is a tax-efficient savings account designed to help you save for your first home or retirement. It's primarily aimed at younger adults looking to maximize their savings potential. Key features include government bonuses and tax-free withdrawals under certain conditions. Their website provides details on eligibility and specific terms. Hargreaves Lansdown positions itself as a reputable and established provider of investment services. Their website emphasizes ease of use and transparency. They highlight the government bonus as a key benefit. While they don't advertise no hidden fees, their fee structure is clearly outlined on their website. Availability is dependent on UK residency and meeting specific eligibility criteria. You can check their website for further information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Hargreaves Lansdown Lifetime ISA. Getting started was straightforward. The online application process was clear and concise. It took me about 20 minutes to complete. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays my balance, contributions, and government bonus received. I found it easy to make regular contributions through their online banking integration. The performance has been reliable. I've never experienced any glitches or downtime. I had a quick question about transferring funds and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how detailed the monthly statements are, providing a clear breakdown of my investments and the growth. One minor drawback was the slightly limited investment options compared to other platforms. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Hargreaves Lansdown Lifetime ISA. It's a solid choice for anyone looking for a simple and reliable way to save for their future, especially with the added incentive of the government bonus. That's my overview of Hargreaves Lansdown Lifetime ISA. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.